Getting a quote for urethane casting from Xometry is just a click away. Our secure file upload system accepts most CAD file types. Feel free to upload multiple files at a time. Within seconds, our instant quoting engine will recommend a suitable process and display pricing and lead times. Click part thumbnails to configure your quote further. Use our part viewer to review your model and see feedback. Or use our built-in search tool to find helpful resources. Specify urethane casting from the process selection drop-down menu if not already set by default. You can update the material, quantity, color, hardness, and finish. Pricing and lead time will automatically update based on your selections. If you need something different, choose Custom for an expert review. You can specify features like number of tapped holes, inserts, and part markings. Technical drawings or other supporting documents can be attached via the Drawings and Files section by either dragging and dropping or browsing for the files. Urethane cast parts can be inspected in a variety of ways, starting with our included standard inspection to more advanced options such as first article inspections, which include detailed reports. Additionally, you can specify qualification and certification requirements such as certificates of conformance or material certifications. Use the Notes section to call attention to specific needs or to expand upon any custom selections. Once you're done configuring a part, click the Save Properties button in the upper right to save the changes and return to the quote summary screen. Choose between our standard lead time or save costs with our economy option. When ready to order, you can share the quote with a purchaser or simply proceed to checkout. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions along the way, our customer service agents and engineering experts are here to help.